Arrange all the lines. Put the break lines aside. Remove the 2 blue cases from the generator. Remove the clear acrylic plate. Start installing high voltage cables. Cable positive 加 match with generator positive 加 cable negative match with generator negative. Also cover it with silicone grease and stick it in. Tighten until no thread is visible. Another method is also the same. Install high voltage generator power cables. The red is live wire, marked with L. The blue is neutral wire, marked with N. And the yellow is ground, marked with PE. This is effect after installation. Connect the other end of the anode wires, corresponding to the line mark C, MS, PE, T1, T2. Connect the live wire, neutral wire, ground wire of the beam aligner. Live wire connect the third or fourth hole. Blue neutral wire connect the first or second hole. The yellow ground wire is connected to the ground wire of the high generator power cable. Connect the handbrake wire. Pass through the stand base. Access the handbrake line on generator. And connect the 2 black terminals together. Unscrew the P14 terminal in the first row. Refer to the code on the right of the terminal. P14 prep, connect into the first hole. P14 X-ray connect into the second hole. P14 GND connect into the third hole. P14 EXP connect the fourth hole. P14 wiring completed. Because need to connect the foot brake wire, we can put on terminal but not screw tighten. Unscrew the P16 terminal in the second row. P16 connect this wire into the third hole. Unscrew the P13 terminal in the third row. P13 VCC 这根线接入第三个孔。No need to connect the ground wire, PE, and just tape the wire head. Now finish the connection wire of handbrake. Now install the brake cable. Refer to the handbrake wire connection of first terminal. Foot brake only has 3 wires. Merge into the first 3 holes. Now knead the fourth hole. P14 prep connect into the first hole. P14 X-ray connect into the second hole. P14 GND connect into the third hole. These are wires for panel detector. Adapter connect with control box. This is detector single transmission wire. This wire connect into the second hole of control box.网线其中一端接在控制盒上。Blue network wire connect into the first hole of control box. Other end connect with computer. White detector date cable connect with the third terminal. Other end connect with detector. After connection, put it beside the computer. single synchronous transmission wire passed through the stand base of straight arm to the front. Take off the P13 terminal. Single synchronous wire in order of red, yellow, black connect into P13 terminal the 1, 2 and 4th hole. After the connection, tighten the terminal screws. And high generator wire connection was completed. Finally, the dip switch of S2 position, the white switch, from top to bottom position is left, right and right, left. Tidy all wires from right side of acrylic cover and screw the cover. Finally, clear up all wires and tidy all cable and wires. Move the high-pressure generator into the machine cabinet. Push into the machine shell. Make sure the shell is flush with the machine frame. Below how to install the panel detector. First we need to take off the flat imaging bed. Foot the brake to the bottom. Refer to this video how to move the imaging bed to the right side position. Then release the foot brake. Remove the screws under the imaging bed. 6 screws for each side. Total 16 screws must be taken off. Remove the flat bed and screw from the anti-dust cover. Take the panel detector and put in middle of position. The wire pass through the hole in back. Turn on the beam aligner and adjust the light to the max. The beam aligner light will align at panel detector for edges. After alignment, unscrew the slot and lock the panel detector with the slot. Put back the anti-dust cover and tighten the screws. Then install the imaging bag. Above is all the installation process.